time, baby.
Let's go! Let's keep it going! Hey!
We move on to the most interesting sights and sounds of the game from an action-packed week around the NBA.
Celtics! Hoorah! Celtics! Hoorah! Celtics! Hoorah! 1, 2, 3, together.
Hey, right off the start now. Get back.
First thing, gotta make shots. Gotta make shots. If you like your shot and they start falling, you still gotta get stopped. Hey, it's gonna be 48 minutes of pressure.
Shot clock down. Boston a heave. He is a difference maker.
You gotta rebound, you gotta go back and rebound. All right? Clean up the board. Whatever the game plan is, let's be disciplined enough to execute.
Here's Fisher for three. Yes! The 3-point.
It's our energy that got us back in the game. It's not our basketball. Be in attack mode, moving the basketball, moving people, make them guard.
We got to try to take them out of their rhythm a little bit.
I might suit up.
Guards always like a chance to post up. Ooh, nice dunk by Monte Ellis.
Hey, let's establish ourselves on the defensive end early. Hey, defensively, good job. Keep getting back.
Just takes it away. Rejected at the rim by Barbosa.
They're just playing hard, guys.
Most important thing is play hard, man. Games like this are won by little things.
Come on, guys. I need more out of you, okay? We got a heck of a thing going on, fellas. Let's seal the deal.